So over here on the top, you can see that there are various toolbars. And if you want to enable or disable toolbars, you can go around and right click on any one of the empty areas right here. And over here, you can see that you can enable and disable different toolbars right here. Let's say, for example, you want to enable scripting, then you can click on this and this pops up right here. You can also go around and rearrange out the toolbars by clicking and dragging this around, as you can see, so you can view around more toolbar tools just like this. So you can go around and then let's say, for example, drag this onto the beginning, or just go around, rearrange this out just like this. So let me just go around and rearrange these out right here. Click and drag this around, keep this over here. Click and drag this around, keep this over here. And there you go, as you can see right here. So you can go around and right click and enable out different things like keyframe toolbar right here. So you can enable layer toolbar right here, just like this. You can enable onion skin. So here you can see that you can enable out different toolbars according to your necessity right here, and they will all appear right here. You can also click on them again to disable those toolbars out, as you can see, according to how you like as well. So you can see right here, you can go around and disable the playback or enable out the playback just like that. And that is how you can enable and disable and arrange out the toolbars inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.